sadly, everyone, Academy President Cheryl Boone Isaacs proves that she's human. She flubbed and called Dick Pope, who's responsible for cinematography for the movie Mr. Turner. Well, you'll hear it.
For Mr. Turner. Dick Pope. 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 For Mr. Turner.
Well,
Dick Pope. For Mr. Turner.
You get the idea. Poor Cheryl Boone Isaacs. One mistake on social media, one mistake on television becomes a trend on social media and a meme. I'm waiting for the memes for Dick